So Tangem finally released the multi-Bitcoin address support feature that we've all been waiting for, and it is the real deal. Once you enable this feature, every time you receive Bitcoin in your Tangem wallet, it will automatically generate a brand new Bitcoin receiving address for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Tangem's new dynamic address feature, how it works, the benefits of having multiple Bitcoin receiving addresses, as well as how to consolidate your UTXOs if you need to. And if you don't know what some of that stuff means, no worries, I'm going to explain everything. By the way, if you've been waiting for this feature to be released before getting a Tangem wallet, you can pick one up using the link in my description. That'll give you a nice discount. Enjoy. First, let's start with how to enable this feature. The cool thing about the new dynamic address feature is that it doesn't just apply to Bitcoin, but also Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, and basically every other UTXO-based crypto network. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your Tangem app is at least version 5.39. This is the latest version as of making this video. Then, to enable this feature, go to your tokens homepage, tap Bitcoin, then go to Settings, which is the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner, and select Dynamic Addresses. Next, you'll need to enter your wallet's access code. Once entered, press Continue and scan the card linked to that access code you just entered, and it's that simple. The dynamic address feature is officially enabled. Okay, now I want to show you how this feature works once it is enabled. So when you go to Bitcoin and tap the Receive button, you'll notice it says Dynamic Address. This means the feature is enabled. Moving forward, every time you copy an address and receive Bitcoin to it, Tangem will automatically generate a new receiving address for you the next time you tap Receive. And just to be clear, your Bitcoin balance isn't going to be split up across a bunch of different Bitcoin receiving addresses. Your Tangem wallet is handling everything in the background, and it's still going to show you your total portfolio balance for your Bitcoin. And this is just how Bitcoin works. Bitcoin uses something called a UTXO, or Unspent Transaction Output accounting system, and don't let the fancy name scare you. It's actually really simple. The best way to explain this is using bills in your wallet. So let's say you have $35 in your wallet. You don't have a $35 bill, that doesn't exist. What you have is a $20 bill, a $10 bill, and a $5 bill, and they're all their own bills. Bitcoin works the same way. Every time you receive Bitcoin in your wallet, it's not one continuous account, but rather multiple small unspent transactions that are all their own chunks of Bitcoin. So for example, if someone sends you 0.1 Bitcoin today and then another 0.2 Bitcoin next week, your total wallet balance is 0.3 Bitcoin, but it's in two separate UTXOs. This is why you can have multiple Bitcoin receiving addresses, but your Tangem wallet or whatever other wallet you're using will still show you your total Bitcoin balance instead of all the tiny balances. Now, one thing to note about UTXO-based cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is that the more UTXOs you have, the more data that may be included when you send Bitcoin or when you do a Bitcoin transaction. And because Bitcoin transaction fees are really determined by how much data is being sent in the transaction, if you have a lot of UTXOs, the fees when you send Bitcoin can actually be more expensive. This is why some people like to consolidate their Bitcoin UTXOs, and in doing that, you're eliminating a long list of smaller Bitcoin transactions and basically making one transaction that contains all of your Bitcoin. And in doing this, it could potentially result in lower Bitcoin transaction fees, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in your Tangem wallet in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the benefit of having multiple Bitcoin receiving addresses in your wallet. The main benefit is privacy, and this is why most people wanted this feature in Tangem. Bitcoin is recorded on a digital public ledger called the blockchain. So anyone who has your Bitcoin wallet's receiving address can actually go and look at your address on the blockchain and see all of your transactions along with all of the Bitcoin that you own, which could be a risk depending on who you're interacting with. For example, if you've been using the same Bitcoin address for years and you've sent Bitcoin to your friends, family, coworkers, or you've had them send you Bitcoin, they can look at your address and see how much Bitcoin you own and every transaction that you've ever done. But with dynamic addresses or multi-Bitcoin receiving addresses, every time you receive Bitcoin, it's at a new address, and having that single address makes it a lot more difficult for someone to track your single address and find out how much total Bitcoin you own and all the transactions that you've ever done with Bitcoin. And that's how it increases privacy. Now, it's important to understand that all of these new Bitcoin receiving addresses still belong to the same wallet. So when Tangem generates a new receiving address for you, it's not creating a new wallet, it's not creating a new seed phrase. all the different addresses are still all controlled by the same wallet key. Now, if you're wondering if you need to move your existing Bitcoin or do anything special after you enable this feature, the answer is no. Everything will continue to work exactly the same. The only difference is anytime you receive Bitcoin to your wallet moving forward, new addresses will be provided for you, but you don't have to do anything different. Whether you're buying, selling, sending, receiving Bitcoin, Tangem takes care of everything for you in the back end, and everything will continue to work normally for you as it usually would. And all of your old Bitcoin receiving addresses also still work if you want to use those. Next, I'm going to show you how to consolidate your Bitcoin UTXOs, which can reduce the amount of data being sent in a transaction, which could potentially lower your transaction fees. And it's actually incredibly simple. All you have to do is open up your Tangem wallet, go to Bitcoin, press the receive button, copy your receiving address, then go back, tap send, and you're literally going to send your Bitcoin to your own receiving address. So you're literally sending Bitcoin to yourself. When you do this, your wallet is eliminating all these smaller UTXOs and combining it into one larger UTXO, which can reduce the amount of data required when sending Bitcoin or when transacting with Bitcoin, which could potentially reduce your Bitcoin transaction fees. That said, most people don't need to obsess over consolidating Bitcoin UTXOs. If you're only receiving Bitcoin every once in a while, like every week or every month, then you probably don't need to worry about this. Now, if you're a business or you're mining Bitcoin and you're receiving Bitcoin on a daily basis, this might be something you want to look into doing, and you might only want to do it, once or twice a year. So maybe every 6 months or every year, but you don't need to do this too often. That said, if you have more questions about Tangem and how it works, I answer over 40 crucial Tangem wallet questions in this next video. Make sure to check it out. I'll see you over there. God bless.